Welcome to Sine Cos Academy. Suppose this question comes in the exam. So, and these are the options given for this question. So, how we will solve this question? So, see, for this type of questions, when it comes in the exam, we have to apply BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule, what is BODMAS rule? BODMAS, where B means bracket. So first of all, we have to see in this equation, is there any bracket? Yes, we can see two brackets, one big bracket and one is inner bracket. So we'll solve the bracket first. First of all, the inner one, then the outer one. Firstly, we'll bracket open. So first of all, we'll open the bracket, and after that division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So in this case, how we will solve this? See. So we'll apply the BODMAS rule. 25 minus 6 plus 2 multiplied by 3 square is 9. 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then we'll open it. 9 minus 1, it becomes 8, and we'll open this bracket. And then divided by 2. Now what we will do, again we'll solve the bracket only. Unless and until there is any bracket in the equation, we cannot solve any other equation. So firstly we have to solve the bracket. So it again becomes 25 minus, then what we will solve in the bracket, there is addition also and there is multiplication also. So we'll see the BODMAS rule. What comes first? Multiplication comes. If there is a division, then we have to solve division first. If there is a multiplication and addition, so we'll solve the multiplication first. So it will be 6 and this will be 2 multiplied by 8, which is equal to 8 to the 16, and it becomes divided by 2. Okay, now it is 25 minus, again we'll solve the bracket only. Unless and until there is a bracket, we cannot solve anything else. So again we'll solve the bracket only, and when we solve the bracket, I am writing the equation here. Okay, so it is 25 minus, what is 16 plus 6? We have to solve the bracket. Okay, so it will be 22, right? 16 plus 6, and here it is a division. Now you can see what is here given here, 25 minus 22 divided by 2. Now what is the BODMAS rule? BODMAS rule says, if there, first of all bracket open and then there is a division, so we'll solve the division. So it will be 25 minus 22 by 2, which is equal to 11. Okay, now it becomes 25 minus 11. It becomes what? 25 minus 11. So what will be the answer here? 14. So you can see in the options given over here, 14, 25, 11, 8. So what will be the correct answer given in this question? The correct answer will be 14. So whenever this type of question comes in the exam, these type of equations, will always have to apply the BODMAS rule. If we will apply BODMAS rule, it will always be correct. And if we are not able to apply BODMAS rule, then the answer will always be wrong. So see, if there is a bracket, yes. How many brackets are there? That also you have to see. The smallest bracket, you have to solve that first. And again, when we divided here, there is addition and there is multiplication, both coming in between. So in BODMAS rule, first of all, bracket, and then bracket open, then there is divide, and after that it is multiply, and after that addition, and at last you will do subtraction. Always follow this rule and you will never fail in this type of questions.